Assalamu alaikum learners. In this tutorial, we learn about session tracking. Many applications need a series of requests from the same client to be associated with one another. For example, any online shopping application save the states of a user shopping cart across multiple requests. But HTTP protocol is a stateless. It can handle only a single state at a time. For this purpose, there are typical three solutions for session tracking of a web application states. It may be other application. First is cookies, second is URL rewritten, and third is hidden field. Today we learn about cookies. Cookies is a text which is stored on client hard disk. When a client requests through a browser to an application, this cookie text information is sent across request to the server. In cookies text, there are two string type information, a unique ID and its value. The server received the request and knows which client or user is requesting for which page or servlet. In this video, we make a project which contain only a single servlet, repeat visitor servlet. In repeat visitor servlet, there is a process request method which handle request type either requested with post method or requested with get method. The process request method handles both type of requests. In the body of process request method, first of all, we set the content type. Which type of content we will write. Here we set text and HTML. Set content type method is called through response object. After that, we get printWriter object out by calling response method getWriter. With the help of printWriter object out, we write in the servlet HTML. Here our HTML tag start, body tag start, heading tag, cookies example. After that, we create a string type variable message. After this, there is a repeat visitor variable which type is boolean. This variable explain either visitor is first time visiting the application or is old visitor. After this, from cookies, we get cookies. Using getCookies method of request object, we get a cookie array. After getting cookies array, we check if cookies are not equal to null, then we start a loop. Here, initial variable I is equal to 0, I is less than cookies.length I plus plus. From this array, cookies array, we retrieve one cookie, which is retrieved through cookie object C, cookies I. After this, we get name and value of this cookie using getName method of cookie class and getValue method of cookie class. This name and value is stored in string type variable name and val. After receiving name and val, We again check if name is equal to repeat and val is equal to yes, then this message welcome back is printed. And here repeat visitor value is true, we get out from the loop. If this value is not equal to repeat and yes, then repeat visitor value is false, client request is first time. Here we create a new cookie. Cookie is a class. We create his object C1 using cookies method which have two parameters string type repeat and yes. After this, when send the response to the browser, we add this cookie. Throw add cookie method in the response. And we print out message welcome aboard, means welcome newcomer. After this, by using print router object out, we print this message welcome aboard and close body and HTML tag. And finally we close out object. Now run our project and check the cookies reaction. Here I type URL repeat example welcome aboard. Cookies never find the value of repeat and print the welcome aboard. If I visit this servlet again by using refresh button, it tells us welcome back. Cookies class have another method set max age. This method set the age of cookies. Without this method, when we close the browser, our cookies will be finished, will be expires. By adding set max age, our cookies will get expire when time is 60 minutes. I save it and run the project again. Write the repeat example URL. Here we can see welcome aboard. Our last cookie was expired. Now when we requested again, here we will welcome aboard. When I refresh it, it is welcome back. Now I close the browser and run the project again. Enter the URL. Here we can see welcome back because our cookie is not expired till now. It will expire after 60 minutes. Today we learn about cookies. Cookie is a piece of text which is used to session tracking. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.